Part 2, The Rat Trap. Now we come to the second part of the story, and that is that how we came to know about the peddler, that how he begged in the stores, or he begged on the big farms, and he managed to live his living by making the small rat traps. But they were not enough, and he came to a thinking that this whole world is a rat trap, and this offers baits and how the people are uh, caught up in it, and their life comes to an end. One dark evening, as he was trudging along the road, he caught sight of a little grey cottage by the roadside, and he knocked on the door to ask shelter for the night. And one dark evening, as he was trudging means he was walking very slowly along the road, he saw a little grey cottage by the roadside only. He knocked for the shelter. Nor was he refused instead. Nor was he refused. He was not at all refused at once as he knocked. He was called up inside. Instead of the sour faces which ordinarily met him, the owner, who was an old man without wife or child, was happy to get someone to talk to in his loneliness. And he was not refused instead of the sour faces, instead of the harsh and the hostile faces, जैसे कि उसे मिलते थे, which ordinary met him, जो उसे मिलते थे. The owner, who was an old man without wife, the owner here was an old man. He did not have any wife or children, and he was happy to get someone to talk to in his loneliness. Now this man whom he met, the owner, he was very lonely person. वो बड़ा खुश हुआ कि somebody has come. Immediately he put the porridge pot on the fire and gave him supper. And as soon as he entered inside, he put the porridge pot, porridge जिसे हम दलिया कहते हैं, उसने उस पे आग पे रखा और उसको सपर तैयार किया. Then he carved off. He cut off such a big slice from his tobacco roll that it was enough both for the stranger's pipe and his own. And then lovingly he cut off the big slice of tobacco roll, tobacco निकाला जो उन दोनों के पाइप के लिए काफ़ी था. Finally, he got out an old pack of cards and played Meolis with his guest until bedtime. And then he took out the pack of cards and they both played a card game. Meolis, it's a card game actually of Sweden only, and he played till the bedtime. The old man was just as generous with his confidences as with his porridge and tobacco. Not only this man was liberal, not only this man was generous with his things, he shared his food, he shared his bed, he shared his time, but he was very generous with his confidences. Confidences means private matters. Wo he opened that also with this man, with this peddler. The guest was informed at once that in his days of prosperity, his host had been a crofter at Ramsjo Iron Works and had worked on the land. And at once he informed his guest, that is the peddler, that in his days of prosperity, his host, जब उसके अच्छे दिन थे, he had a good days, he worked as a crofter. Crofter means a small farmer at the Ramsjo Iron Works, his place, and had worked on the land. Now that he was no longer able to do that labor, और अब वो उतना लेबर नहीं कर पाएगा, he is old, it was his cow which supported him. And now he has got his lonely cow which supported his living. Yes, that bossy was extraordinary. He said that his bossy. Bossy means that domineering cow. उसकी जो को dominate करने वाली cow है वो बड़ी extraordinary, बड़ी remarkable है. She could give milk for the creamery every day, and last month he had received all of 30 kroner in payment. And he also told him that how with that milk she gives the milk for the creamery. Creamery means butter factory. He sells the milk in the butter factory, and he received in the last month only he received 30 kroner as a payment. Now kroner is Sweden currency. The stranger must have seemed incredulous, but the old man got up and went to the window. Now when the stranger, the peddler heard this, he seemed incredulous. Incredulous means he did not believe it कि वो सच कह रहा है. And then this old man, this crofter, he got up and he went to the window. He took down a leather pouch which hung on a nail in the very window frame and picked out 3 wrinkled 10 kroner bills. और उसको दिखाने के लिए, अपनी बात को सच्चा साबित करने के लिए, he took out a leather pouch. Pouch is a small leather bag जो कि टंगा हुआ था नेल पर, विंडो फ्रेम पर. And he took out 3 wrinkled 10 kroner notes, bills. Bills means notes. These he held up before the eyes of his guest, nodding knowingly. And then he took them before the eyes of his guest and nodding knowingly, so दिखाने के लिए. And then stuffed them back into his pouch. And then he kept back them into his pouch in that leather bag. The next day, both men got up in good season. Now, the next day, both the men they got up early. Good season means got up early in a very good mood. The crofter was in a hurry to milk his cow, and the other man probably thought he should not stay in bed when the head of the house had gotten up. And so, the crofter was in a hurry to milk his cow, and naturally, peddler thought that he should not be in the bed when his owner had got up. They left the cottage at the same time. The crofter locked the door and put the key in his pocket. The man with the rat traps said goodbye and thank you, and thereupon each went his own way. But half an hour later, the rat trap peddler stood again before the door. He did not try to get in, but half an hour his mind changed and he came back. He did not try to open the door. However, he only went up to the window, smashed a window pane, stuck in his hand, and got hold of the pouch with the 30 kroner. And then what he did, he smashed a pane, he broke a window pane, he thrust, stuck means he thrust, forced his hand inside the window pane and got hold of the pouch. He got the pouch with the 30 kroner. He took the money and thrust it into his own pocket. उसने मनी निकाला और अपनी पॉकेट में डाल दिया. Then he hung the leather pouch very carefully back in its place and went away. And this is how he stole the money. As he walked along the money in his pocket, he felt quite pleased with his smartness. And now, when he was walking with the money, he was very happy. Pleased means he was very pleased, very happy with his smartness, with his quickness. He realized, of course, that at first he dared not continue on the public highway, but must turn off the road into the woods. And then he realized that he should not. Dare not means he should not go onto the public highway. वो highway से नहीं जाएगा, public road से नहीं जाएगा. And then he turned into the woods. Woods means forest. During the first hours, this caused him no difficulty. Later in the day, it became worse, for it was a big and confusing forest which he had gotten into. Now, in the initial time when he went into the forest, he did not have any problem. But बाद में जो है उसे धीरे धीरे लगा कि the forest was very big, very confusing. He tried to be sure to walk in a definite direction, but the paths twisted back and forth so strangely. And he tried to be sure, वो बड़ा sure था कि he will walk on one road or definitely he will come to the end of the forest. But the paths they twisted. Twisted means they turned back and forth. उसमें जो path थे वो कभी back कभी आगे. वो इतना turn करते थे strangely. He walked and walked without coming to an end of the wood. And finally he realized that he had only been walking around in the same part of the forest. He was walking and walking without coming to an end. And he realized that he had been walking in the same part of the forest. He was trapped in this large forest. All at once recalled his own thoughts about the world and the rat trap. And then he realized about the world कि कैसे ये पूरी दुनिया rat trap है और कैसे ये forest, उसकी cities, उसकी ocean, seas, all the rat traps. Now his own turn had come. उसे लगा कि अब उसकी अपनी बारी आ गई है. He had let himself be fooled by a bait and he had been caught. वो fool बन गया, वो बेवकूफ़ बन गया उस bait से with those money, and now he had been caught. The whole forest with its trunks and branches, its thickets, fallen logs, closed in upon him like an impenetrable prison from which he could never escape. And then he realized this whole forest with its trunks and branches, its thickets means with all the bushes and the logs, जो fallen logs, जो big pieces of wood they were fallen, they have all closed upon him. उन सब ने इसको घेर लिया है like an impenetrable prison. वो उसको ऐसे घेर लिया जैसे कि कोई unbreakable prison है from which he could never escape, जिससे अब वो कुछ बाहर नहीं निकल सकता.